In this video, I'm going to show you how to share screen within Google AI Studio and have the AI explain the content of that screen for whatever it sees, and it's going to explain everything in detail step by step. You can even ask follow-up questions and it is going to be able to explain everything to you. So it's going to be done under the stream part, and you can see share screen over here. So once we click on share screen, you're able to select from the windows. If you want to share a tab, you want to share the window or entire screen, so you can show it anything and it's going to explain it for you. So let's say we want to start from share entire screen, and then I say share my screen. I just click on share.
You need to click on the Share button, which is usually an icon with an arrow pointing upwards. Then select the window or screen you want to share.
Now this is the screen I want to share. So what can you see on this screen?
I can see your screen now. It looks like you're on a page displaying images generated by DALL-E 5. There are a few images of a donkey and a cat in what looks like a jungle setting.
That's perfect. It's a prompt I gave to ChatGPT to give me an image of a cat and a donkey prepared to go to war. Do you think they can win this war, or are they really truly prepared to go to war if they are going to fight with all of the animals in the bush?
Well, based on the images, the cat and donkey look quite determined, and they have some armor and supplies. However, whether they can win a war against all the animals in the bush depends on a lot of factors, like the other animals' strengths and their strategy. It's tough to say for sure just from the images.
All right, so take a look at my screen one more time.
I can see your screen. It shows a text about the meaning of life, with keywords like life explained, deep thoughts, and life lessons. It also mentions a 6-minute video summary.
Okay, so let's look at my screen one more time. What do you see?
I see your screen again. It's now displaying a design page, possibly for creating a thumbnail for a YouTube video. I can see some text about extracting data and various design elements.
Thank you very much. I think you are very perfect with this, and I like your instinct or the way you analyze the data.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
And I think this is really, really fantastic.
I'm glad you find it fantastic. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you need any more help in the future.
I think this is very, very fantastic because you can be able to chat directly with the AI, and you can even download any of these chat from any of the conversations that you have with the AI. So you can share any section of your screen, any part of it you can share, and you'll be able to see direct conversations. It will be able to explain any section of the screen that you share with it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.